National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Muskingum County, eastern Coshocton County, northwestern Quincy County, western Tuscarawas County until 7 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Farmerstown to 6 miles east of Dresden, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Newcomerstown, Strasburg, West Lafayette, Sugar Creek, Bolivar, Baltic, Port Washington, Pearl, Stone Creek, Zor, Plainfield, Adamsville, Otsego, Gilmore, Chile, Bowdoin and Bakersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh.